In the early 1970s, Nathan Kenyon, myself, and many of our friends spent a great deal of time sailing. And the more we did it, the more we thought, wouldn't it be great if we could be out on the water all the time? Then in the fall of 1974, Nathan and I realized there was a way. We could become commercial fishermen. Now, neither one of us had any experience whatsoever in the field. And a rational person probably would have been somewhat hesitant because of that. But as you can see from the fashion choices we made, the beard I was wearing and the hairstyle Nathan was rocking in those days, we were not people of good judgment. The commercial fishing season opened March 15th, and early that morning we went down and launched our boats. Now, our boats were a problem. Most commercial fishermen had large boats, 20, 30 feet. We had a 13-foot aluminum boat and an 11-foot wooden rowboat. Getting the nets set up was a very big problem. We had to carry about 6,000 pounds of anchors, 1,200 feet of net, and close to 3,000 feet of rope. The water was around 36 degrees, so a boat sinking was going to be a serious matter. But fortunately, we got everything set up. The next day, we headed down to the river. The winds were 40 miles an hour. It was positively scary heading out. I thought the boats might actually blow over. But when we got to the nets, an absolutely remarkable thing happened. At the very edge of the net, there were fish. We couldn't quite believe it. Well, we spent the next 3 weeks fishing the spawning run, and we actually caught some fish. Not enough to be profitable, but we caught fish. In the end, I suspect a rational person would say we shouldn't have done it. We failed. But looking back at it now 40 years later, I can't imagine how sad we would be if we were watching a TV show on fishermen and had to say, I wish we had done it.